Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off safe sign-in info of usernames and password for Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the Samsung Internet app. In here, tap on the menu key at the bottom and then tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to go down and tap on Personal Browsing Data. Next, in here, tap on Usernames and Passwords. Then we're going to tap on Save Sign-in Info. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now it said that automatically sign into website using safe username and password. So whenever you go into a website and you attempt to sign in with a username and password, the website will pop up a small confirmation prompting you to automatically save the username and password. So the next time when you try to sign into that website, you don't need to manually put in the username and password. It will automatically put it there for you. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.